Yo, what's going on, everybody? Man, I wanted to come at y'all real quick to give y'all this exciting news on a new platform that I've been using. This has been a popular question lately. Is hey Dennis, is there any platforms out there that you suggest using? And I've been using Blowfin for a while. I still use GMX. That's a decentralized. We also use Jupiter. Jupiter is another decentralized exchange to use on Solana if you want to get into that whole decentralized thing. But for the one that I carry around in my pocket, I like to have a centralized exchange. And for a while, I've been using Blowfin. But one thing I don't like about Blowfin is the fees and how much leverage that we get. Like if I even go in the negative slightly by 5%, 0.5% with my high leverage, I'm stumped out, or I can even be liquidated. With BITUNIX, it allows me all the way up to like 0.75 before liquidation shows up. So I like that I got that wiggle room, a little more space. It reminds me of Merkle, and I used to love that about Merkle. Not only that, what I liked about Merkle was the contest. I used to always tell y'all a lot about, hey, come join this contest because whether you win or lose, you're still going to get points. You're still going to earn some money. And BitUnix has brought that over here as well, right? Look here. Sign up to claim $10,000 bonus. Now, ain't nobody said as soon as you sign up, you're going to receive 10,000. Well, let's come over here and see what all you got to do. BitUnix invites you to trade professional cryptocurrency derivatives exchange. New users only. This is for y'all that have not already been on BitUnix. Now is the time to think about coming on over because they have perks for new users with $10,000 to claim, right? All right, why choose BitUnix? 5 million global users, 5 billion 24-hour futures volume, 1,200 trading pairs to choose from. And what I like about this place, guys, is we do not have to KYC to deposit or withdraw. And we don't have to use a VPN. I don't get any kind of warnings that say your country isn't allowed to use this exchange. So register and claim reward. Let's see if I can start a new account. They say the Google is down. I'll have to create a whole new account, guys. I can't use Google login like I normally do, but I could still, if I would just have to type in my password. In this case, I want to go ahead and create a new account. So I want to show y'all the rewards that you get to get. Register now. And let's see, can I use it to register? I can't even use it to register. Nope. All right, cool. I'll register this way. Do I have an account? You know what? I'm gonna go a different route. I'm not gonna register right now and show that, but we do want to go over how to use BitUnix. So register to claim your $10,000 limit, and there's also competitions that we have here. I want to get back to the home page. Yeah, we're gonna do that later. We also have competitions that goes on, and I would suggest you guys look into signing up for that too. There you go, $10,000 exclusive perks for new users. And I'm gonna give you guys down in the chat. Y'all can use my referral link so that you already start off. Here we go. Bitcoin Pizza Day giveaway, exclusive lucky draw. Now available for limited times. Like they have all these kind of drawings going on with BitUnix that's very interesting to take advantage of. And when y'all guys win your trades, I want to share something with you. Something I normally do in decentralized areas, I've started doing over here because it gives me the opportunity to do it with certain assets I can't always do it with. One in particular, gold. I've been talking about making this a gold summer. So I'm gonna show y'all. If you are collecting gold like myself, and you plan on holding it anyway, why not hold it and earn interest on your gold? And the great thing about earning interest on your assets here is that you're not earning this interest in USD value, unless you're staking USD, right? But if you're staking Ethereum, you're earning Satoshis. That's not APR return in USD value. That's a return in Ethereum Satoshis or even Bitcoin Satoshis, right? So when I seen down here that they had gold as an opportunity, even with flexible terms, this means I can withdraw at any time. Then while I'm holding my gold or my PAX G, it makes sense to come over here where I can earn interest on it, right? So isn't that cool? You have another place now that you can earn interest. Now, us crypto enthusiasts always suggest not your keys, not your cheese. So I wouldn't encourage you put a high amount over here. But if you're just stacking a little bit, you want to earn interest while you're holding it, then I would put a little something together over here utilizing these interest rates while they are so good, especially if you're buying things like Aster and Bitcoin, PEXG, and APT, right? You have a lot of assets here to choose from that you can come and start earning on your assets simply for holding them. And even if you don't like this whole volatility in the crypto market, you have stable coin assets that you can stake and earn a better percentage than the bank will give you, right? It works just like your savings account with a bank, but you can stake your USDC or your USDT and actually earn a decent APR. And before we go, I just wanted to bring y'all over here to the promotion. Like they have a whole campaign center. And this is what I was talking about, ways to earn. You're already a trader. You already trade. Why not do what you do and have an opportunity of earning a little extra while you do it? Right? So let's go over here. I would have to sign in so y'all can see the joining process, but it's pretty simple once you signed up. Just click join. They give you the rules, tell you how much minimum you would need to be trading with or trading volume, and the prizes and the rewards that you could attain by participating. So I highly encourage you, whether you had a minimum or not, join all the registered join all these that you see approach, because this is not like they take anything away from you. You can only gain. It just makes sense. So pay attention to this whole promotion side. They've been giving away hundreds and thousands of dollars in rewards on a monthly basis here on BITUNIX. So hey, I appreciate y'all. I didn't want to go all the way in. I'm pretty sure y'all already know how to use the market, whether you trade in futures or you trade in spot positions. You know, they have gold, they have silver, they have oil, as well as some other crypto options over here. And even when it comes to spot trading, which you're familiar with, you're going to pay some fees to swap. Over here, what makes this a little different and special, I love using the convert. And if you read right under it, it says quick conversion, zero trading fees. You don't pay fees when you're converting one asset into another on BitUnix using the convert. If you do spot trade, then yes, it will charge you when you get in that spot position, but you're at least able to use limits if you want to. But if you're a market executor like myself, you might as well use convert. You get instant action and no trading fees, right? And the last thing I want to show y'all is a spot auto invest, because I think that this is pretty cool as well. You can actually load a certain amount into your spot account and program it to where a dollar cost average into the positions that you want. Let's say that you wanted to get more ETH, or you wanted to get more gold. You can come over here and create an account that would create auto invest for you, right? It'll just automatically say Bitcoin down 10%. It can automatically invest 10% of your account into it. Bitcoin drop even more, you can program the way it invest another 10%, or you can program it to where it invest on a monthly and weekly basis. It's pretty cool, man. It got a lot of great features, man. I encourage you guys to come over here, check it out. Let me know what you think, right? Talk to us in the comments and tell us exactly how you feel about this project. If it's something that you think you will be using in the future, or let us know what you don't like about it. What do it have that you don't like? I don't think we're going to see a lot of those comments. So y'all go ahead, holler back. We're going to see y'all on the next call. Peace, love, and abundance. I will catch you all on the next call.